What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I give you all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I dislike, all the setups that we're kind of looking for the week, and how we can prepare together. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you hit that like button. I'll wait for you guys to do that. Subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel, and what other stocks are we looking at for this week. Maybe I'll even add it to my watch list, which I've done plenty before. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's the earnings calendar for this week. Monday, you have Oracle. Other than that, I don't really see anything important. Tuesday, really nothing for me. Wednesday, you have Dollar Tree maybe. Other than that, nothing there again. Thursday, you have Adobe. I've seen that move. Ulta, I've seen that move. You have Dix. And that should be it. Friday, nothing there. So let's go ahead and get started with the setups this week. So Nvidia, you can see this blow off top on Friday. You guys can see this uptrend it held, and then when this cracked at 965, we dropped $100 from there. I think we literally hit $100 from that break right there. $100 on Nvidia, which is what I call a blow off top. And after hours, you can see it's 850. So what am I watching on Nvidia? Just because we dropped doesn't mean there aren't going to be any plays on Nvidia. Now I'm looking at the downside. We might still get upside plays. But all of you guys are kind of used to just playing new highs and new lows. So what I'm looking at on Nvidia is, are we going to continue the downtrend here? Are people going to start taking profits from all the hype that's been around? Now I'm watching 850. What I'm going to start paying attention to is previous resistance levels that we got stuck at. For example, this next one's at 813. There wasn't much structure in between where things got stuck. I mean, you had some pre-market activity at like 824, for example. But other than that, it can have a very deep slide down. Like the first thing I'm watching after 850 obviously is going to be 845, 840, but an actual level is going to be these wicks right here at around 832 to 834 range. If we get stuck there, they might be looking for a bounce, right? After that, I won't have anything to like 824, and then my actual resistance level that it's breaking previously is 813.41. So those are some plays that I'm watching on Nvidia to the downside. Now, if you want to be in tune, like throughout the week, things do change. I do have a free Discord. You guys can join. You'll have access to everything we do every single Wednesday, pre-market trade ideas, live signals, live courses, live lessons, Q&As. All that is hosted for free. We do that every day throughout the week, but that's the one day you'll have access to. And make sure you follow me on social media, Nora Trades, Stock Hours, and Trade Like Nora. Just remember, if any fake accounts hit you up, I never ask you for money, and I will never contact you first. So Nvidia is the first thing that I'm watching. Tesla, this stock is pretty weak as well. This was down $3.30 on Friday. I am watching this 172 level into 170, and then from there, I have a level down to 168.28, which is the trend here. So that's Tesla. Next thing I'm watching is SMCI. Oh, also, I told you guys about Apple last week. This thing's just been slipping. Now, is it going to continue to fall? At least it was green on Friday, but that's not going to be on my watch. I told you that time will come, and we'll be prepared for it. SMCI stock, same thing on Friday. High of 1229, low of 1090. Whoa, I didn't even know it dropped that much. 1229 to 1090. That caught me by surprise as well. So what am I watching? I'm watching this 1090 level. As you guys can see, it held up twice, bounced from that area twice, and you can see these wicks are lining up right at 1090 as well. If we break 1090, I don't have anything much until 1060, then the 1050 level. But same thing like Nvidia. If this gets caught on a sell-off, they're going to be more inclined to sell than buy because how far it's already ran up. So I like stocks like this because it's very easy for someone to click a sell button on these types of stocks than a buy button. Because let's face it, I mean, in the past 20 days, the low was 692 on SMCI, high of 1229. We're talking about double. So people don't have a problem taking profits, and they're going to be quick to do so if the market shows that this is weak. So those three stocks. One more that I've seen is BA, 197 level. Put it on the 1 hour. I can even put it on the 4 hour for you guys. You can see that this is a flat bottom here. I don't really like BA. Spreads are a little wide, and they're fairly cheap, so it's a little annoying because I have to buy so many contracts. But I am watching this 196, 197 level on BA to the downside. Next support I have on this is the 194.80, 195, quote unquote, and then 190. So that's what I'm watching on BA. AMD, same thing here, blow off top at 227. Are we going to continue? Usually when you get these types of wicks, it's sort of the ending. Yes, you might get a bounce, but this is never a good sign. So I'm watching 200 MD. That's like a side watch. Coin, same thing here, but this is moving with Bitcoin a lot. And then the last thing is Meta F500. Now, am I going to play Meta F500? I'm not really too inclined. I have all these other plays that I'm very excited about. So those are my plays for this week. If you want live updates, things change throughout the week. You have to know that. Make sure you follow me on social media. Make sure you're in the Discord for the free access at least on Wednesdays. And I'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.